Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Eva Polak and today we are diving into a fascinating world of love and creativity as we embark on an abstract macro photography adventure inspired by Valentine's Day. I am calling it Love in the Details because we will be exploring the natural world's magic, uncovering heart-shaped treasures and capturing the intricate beauty surrounding us. So grab your camera, dust off that macro lens, and let's jump into our Valentine's Day macro photography exploration. Our first mission is the heart hunt. Take a stroll through your local park, garden, or even your backyard. Your task? Find those hidden gems, heart-shaped leaves, dew-kissed petals, anything that nature has crafted into the symbol of love. Trust me, you will be amazed at what you can discover right under your nose. As you can see, it's summertime here in Auckland, which means many fantastic photo opportunities. For you who are in the Northern Hemisphere, I get it, going outside might not be the best idea, especially if the weather is not so great. No worries though, I've got a super easy setup for you, right at your kitchen table, to add some creative fun to your photo session. Our goal is to craft visually captivating images that capture the graceful interplay of water droplets, all set against a backdrop of a heart-shaped background. For this creative adventure, I will be incorporating moss not only to set the scene, but also to delicately hold and showcase the beauty of the water droplets. Now, to achieve this effect, you will need a few simple things. Your camera, a macro lens, extension tubes if you have them, a tripod to keep things steady, and of course, a bottle with water. So let's jump right in and create some photographic art. First things first, create a heart-shaped background. You can cut one out of paper. Now let's talk camera settings. Set your camera to aperture priority mode for full control. Opt for a wide aperture to achieve a beautiful bokeh effect and isolate the water droplet and heart shape in the background. I am using an aperture f2.8 50mm macro lens with 2 extension tubes for the extra magnification. Set your heart-shaped background just a bit behind your water droplet scene. Ensure it's well lit to bring out the heart shape when the water droplet takes center stage. And here's a neat trick. Since water droplets act like tiny lenses, make sure to place your heart upside down, so it shows up the right way in your images. Use manual focus to focus on the water droplet precisely. Take your time to get it just right. This is where the magic happens. Perfect! Now it's time to capture the shot. Wow, look at that! The heart-shaped background beautifully complements the water droplet. Take a look at these variations. Each one tells a unique story. Remember, the key is to play with your settings and let your creativity flow. Now, I'd like to share some extra tips for your macro photography journey. Embrace the power of light to elevate your macro shots. Try various techniques such as backlighting for a beautiful halo effect around your subject. Since it's all about love and romance, play with warm and vibrant colors to set the mood. Reds, pinks, and purples can create a romantic and dreamy atmosphere, enhancing the emotional impact of your macro compositions. Break free from the conventional and explore unique compositions. Experiment with different angles, shots from above, below, or at eye level to unveil a distinctive and captivating perspective. Let your creativity guide you in crafting visually stunning images. Remember, macro photography is a journey of exploration and appreciation for beauty of the natural world. Don't forget to have fun. Allow yourself to enjoy the process, immerse in the details, and let your creativity run wild. By integrating these additional tips into your macro photography adventure, you not only capture visually stunning details, but also infuse your images with a unique blend of creativity, color, and emotion. So there you have it, capturing water droplets with a heart shape in the background. It's a beautiful way to add a touch of romance to your macro photography. Give it a try, and don't forget to share your creation with us. Link to our Facebook group, it's in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.